Okay guys, so we're going to look at visual vocabulary for this Wednesday's assignment. If I didn't get a chance to cover it in class, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working through the vocab of these terms right here. This one is Magna Carta, royalty, nobility, feudal system, and parliament. What you're going to do using either note cards, post-it notes, or even small pieces of paper that you just cut up. What I do is I take a big sheet of paper, fold it in half, fold it in half, fold it in half, and then I cut along these lines. That gives you 8 pieces of paper per one sheet of paper. You can do this on notebook paper, white paper, whatever. But you're going to need, for this assignment, if you're doing 5 a piece, you're going to need 25 pieces of paper. On one, you're going to write the term. That's it. That's one of your cards. Write the term. On the second, you're going to write the definition of it. On the third, draw a picture that helps you remember the word. This is independent to you, so no one else is going to be using these. It needs to make sense to you personally. That's it. On the fourth, I want you to write 3 facts about that term. This can be just very short. They don't have to be long and drawn out, as long as they are just concise to the point. You know, you can make a point or a fact have, 4 words in it if it makes sense. On the fifth, you're going to write like a Jeopardy question, or I personally like a fill-in-the-blank newspaper headline. So, just an example with nobility. You could say, nobility no more, America set free. Something like that. But where you would write nobility, draw a blank. So it would say blank no more. So after you would do all of these terms, you're going to lay the cards out. And I hope this shows up in frame in a pattern kind of like this. So with your first term being Magna Carta, you would have all of the cards related to Magna Carta in a row, in a column, not a row, in a column, up and down. Then your second term, and your third, and your fourth, and your fifth. Lay them out in a grid pattern like this. After you do that, take the camera on your Chromebook, rotate it. It will go straight forward. Open the camera app on your Chromebook, take a picture of those cards laid out on the ground, on a table, something like that. When you come to the assignment, yours will have a submit assignment button right here. This will have an option to upload, and you can upload that picture. That picture is your assignment. That's it for this Wednesday. You can practice with these cards. I encourage you to practice with these cards, but you are being graded on the completion of that assignment. That's it. So, if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be at home all day answering emails, working on things, posting videos this Wednesday. So, you have no problem getting a hold of me.